My name is John Holmen, Superintendent of Lake Washington School District. I'm here at Inglewood Middle School today where we are going to celebrate and thank our veterans.
Good morning and welcome to our Veterans Day Assembly!
It is a soldier who salutes the flag, who serves beneath the flag.
Student leadership here at Inglewood have planned an assembly for their peers to recognize, celebrate, and thank veterans within our community and our staff.
What so proudly we hail.
I'm very thankful to all of the people who have sacrificed so much to try and make the U.S. safer.
We are going to be talking about why we honor veterans.
Veterans Day is it's part of our core values at Inglewood Middle School to connect, and that connection piece for students to understand what our veterans have done for us and what the importance of Veterans Day is.
We look to those veterans to really set a positive example, and our student voice comes through and really seeking them out to learn from their experience, to learn from their expertise, and to make that a part of our annual recognition and celebration of our veterans in our community.
Based off of my time in the military that it has taught me, it is simple. Lead.
One of the biggest things that I mentioned was that the military really molded me into who I am today, and I have the Air Force to thank for that. I was able to gain a lot of different perspectives, being that I traveled all over the world, experienced a lot of different cultures, realized that there's a lot of different perspectives out there, a lot of different things that weren't known to me that I learned out there as well.
We're fortunate to be in a country that embraces freedom and the ability for all of us to have a chance in succeeding in life regardless of where you come from.
The kids need to hear about what their ancestors did, what their family members did, because a lot of folks will not talk about it unless prompted, and there's lessons to be learned there.
During my service, I learned that duty, honor, commitment, sacrifice, integrity, loyalty, and discipline, those aren't just buzzwords. Those words are grounded in a solid foundation for what our country was built on.
If you could give a message to veterans, what would you want to say to them right now?
I love our country, and I am so thankful they're protecting it for us.
So if all veterans could hear a message from you, what would you want to say to them?
Thank you so much for protecting and defending our nation. We are so thankful here at Inglewood Middle School.